What's up, cosplayers? EIE cosplayers! Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like on this video to help a fellow cosplayer out. Today we're transforming ourselves into Mrs. Mime. So cute! Very simple. So the first step is going to be to block your eyebrows. I have a tutorial teaching you how to do that in the link above, so please watch after this video. And the next step is skin prep. So we're going to use a good primer and moisturizer to leave our skin nice and smooth for the next step, which is to prepare the foundation or cream paint color. So his skin is a little bit pink, so I'm going to go ahead and use a big quantity of white and just the tiniest amount of red and start mixing those two together. And after mixing those two together, you're now going to apply it on your face and on all areas that are going to be exposed in your cosplay. So if your ears are going to be exposed, paint your ears. If your neck's going to be exposed, paint your neck, and everything else. And on this part, I kind of decided that it was kind of too pink, so I added some more white face paint on top of the face paint that I just applied and blended it together to reduce the pinkiness on my face. And I don't even know if that's a word, but I guess I just made it up. And now for the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, we're going to use a dark blue face paint and a very detailed brush to draw them out. I chose to go for the smaller eyebrow look. It's kind of like a half eyebrow because on most of the pictures that I was referencing, either he had no eyebrows or his eyebrows were very small. So I decided to go for the small eyebrow look. And now with a black liquid liner, I'm going to go ahead and outline the shape of the eyebrows. If you want anything to look like anime or cartoon, outline with black eyeliner. It just makes it look so cute. And again with the liquid liner, I'm going to go ahead and outline my eyes. Nothing special, just really outlining my eyes. And when I get to the end, I'm going to go ahead and pull a wing and then pull a few more little wings on top of that just to make it look like little fake eyelashes. And now I'm creating a bigger eye for myself, so I am pulling the eyeliner down under my waterline, creating the illusion of a bigger eye, and I'm going to fill that in with a white pencil, which will make my eyes look like they're big and anime-like. And now you're going to do the exact same thing on your other eye. And let me give you a quick tip. Please hold tight on that grip or else this will happen. You don't want that to happen. And of course we couldn't do without the lashes, and I'm not using an entire lash. I cut a piece of it, I'm gluing it just to the edges of my eyes, and they're very long and full. Now on to the cheeks, and this part is very simple. So you're gonna get a red face paint or a red like blush or eyeshadow, and you're gonna draw a circle on your face. You're going to fill in that circle with the same face paint, blush, or eyeshadow that you're using, and then afterwards you're going to outline it with the black liquid liner. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And now with a red liquid liner, I'm using a darker shade of red. I'm going to draw smaller lips. So they're going to be smaller than my own, like little doll lips, little clown lips if you may. So I'm going to use the liquid liner to do that. I'm going to go ahead and draw the shape and fill it in. And when I'm done, I'm going to outline it with the black liquid liner. With the liquid liner, I'm just going to connect the edge of my lips to the little circle on my cheeks. And yes, Mrs. Mime also uses highlighter, so I'm going to apply that on the edge of my cheeks and also on my nose. And now for a little bit of contour, so I'm getting a little bit of pink eyeshadow and I'm going to use that as a contour on my nose. And that's it, guys. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you liked it and I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will answer with lots of love for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like on this video. It will help me out a lot. Thank you so much. Mwah. Until my next video, guys. Bye-bye.